Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Let's look at an example of adding and subtracting rational expressions where we don't have a common denominator. Clearly, the first thing we're going to need to do is find that LCD. So let's start by looking at the 15 and the 6 and noticing that they have a common multiple of 30. Between the a's, the highest power of a is a squared, so we'll use that. And between the b's, the highest power of b is b cubed, so we'll use that. Now, we need to multiply the right fraction by 5a, and that'll make the denominator 30a squared b to the third. And we need to multiply the left fraction by 2b squared. This will make the left fraction get the correct denominator. We'll complete the multiplication and see we have 4b squared plus 25a, all with the common denominator of 30a squared b to the third. We can write it as a single fraction, and now you would typically look for any factoring or simplifying you can do, but in this case, I think this is all we have.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.